Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hemali here, and thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my nighttime skincare routine in partnership with one of my favorite skincare brands, Fresh. I've been using their products for years now and I absolutely love their stuff, and there's one product in particular that is like an absolute must-have for me, which I'm going to talk about a lot, but I'll get back to that in a minute because first I want to talk about my skin situation. So since this whole COVID thing started, my skin has been awful for so many reasons. I'm sure you guys can relate when I say I've been really stressed, and because I've been really stressed and stuck in the house, I've been eating really crappy foods, which has ultimately led to my skin feeling really dry, sensitive, and I've been breaking out like crazy. I definitely had to switch around some of my skincare routine to target these problems, which I will be sharing with you guys today, and I'm so excited to because I've noticed a huge improvement on my skin since I started doing this skincare routine. Now, before I get into it, I just want to jump back to what my must-have product from Fresh is and talk to you guys a little bit about it because that's what starts off my skincare routine, and it is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This thing is godsend, let me tell you that. The Fresh Soy Face Cleanser is one of my absolute favorite products from Fresh, and also just one of my favorite cleansers in general. I stopped using it for a bit because I was testing out other products, you know, life of a content creator, it's what I do, it's part of my job, but ever since my skin started acting like this, I had to go back to it. I love this cleanser because it's super gentle on my skin while still being able to remove all my makeup and impurities with ease. It has amino acid rich soy proteins, which helps maintain your skin's elasticity and suppleness, which I definitely need because, let's face it, your girl is getting old. The cucumber extract helps with soothing the skin, and then the rose water provides calming and balancing properties. So that's why I absolutely love this product and why it helps my skin so much. Now let's get into actually doing my skincare routine. I start off by wetting my face a little and then gently rubbing the soy cleanser into my face to remove all my makeup. I'll then wash it off using lukewarm water. You want to make sure that the water isn't really hot because that can strip the oils from your skin and cause for more dry skin. I like to use a baby washcloth to gently rub the cleanser off around my eyes and to make sure that it properly removes any stubborn eye makeup. And then I pat my face dry with that same washcloth. This cleanser is amazing because it removes impurities and it tones for clean, balanced skin. It's also made without sulfates, SLS or SLES, parabens, and phthalates. And it's available in 3 different sizes at Sephora: a 50 milliliter travel size, 150 milliliter standard size, and a 200 milliliter limited edition size. I'll leave the link for it in the description below. Moving on, I take my Henrikson Glow to O toner and soak a cotton pad with it and gently swipe it all over my face. This toner helps me remove any excess dirt, oil, and makeup, and it also has helped me with reducing my acne and lightening any acne scars that I have. Next, I apply my Farmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. This has helped me reduce the appearance of my dark circles and fine lines because unfortunately, I have those now. Then I apply my Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, which is a serum that helps with dry, dull, and uneven textured skin. I find that this concentrate really helps hydrate and soothe my skin. After that, I apply my Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Face Mask. This is also another great product for dry skin, and it has encapsulated retinol in it, which allows the retinol to sit on the surface of the skin for a little bit longer, and it releases it in smaller amounts over time, making it more gentle than your traditional retinol. Traditional retinol can be very powerful and harsh on your skin if you don't use it properly, so by encapsulating it, it allows you to be able to use this product every day. The retinol in this mask really helps with reducing acne and wrinkles, stimulating collagen, and promoting cellular turnover. Finally, I finish off my skincare routine by using the Fresh Sugar Hydrating Lip Balm in Caramel. First of all, this lip balm smells absolutely amazing. And on top of that, it's super hydrating on my lips, so when I wake up in the morning, my lips don't feel dry and cracked. Thank you guys so much for joining me while I do my nighttime skincare routine. If you did like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys constantly show me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!